In this video, we are going to study most powerful technique of prompt engineering, that is multi-perspective simulation. It is used for well-rounded and creative ideas. It is a technique where we ask AI to look at a problem through the eyes of different people. Instead of just one answer, it simulates multiple viewpoints, giving you a more complete, creative, and a realistic response. This is perfect when you are building something for a wide audience, like a product, service, or even an idea. Let's understand how multi-perspective simulation works through a quick example. Let's take a situation where we want to introduce new features to our mobile banking app. We want to be innovative with the features that we introduce. So I'm writing this prompt and I will ask LLM to suggest me some of the ideas regarding those features. Let's see what is the response that we get. It has given me 5 feature ideas that I can introduce in my mobile banking app. Let's take a look on those ideas. First is Smart Budgeting Assistant. Second is Subscription Tracker and Cancel Tool. This can be used by youth. Goal-based saving vaults. This can be used by employers. Biometric plus voice command access. This is a general feature. Community cashback offers. This is also a general feature. This is also a general feature. It has suggested me features which are general in nature. It hasn't kept my entire audience in mind. Mobile banking app is used by audience which include people from different age groups. It includes young people, it includes employed people, it includes retired people. These are the three general age groups that are included in my audience. But it has totally ignored the retired people. Now let's rewrite my prompt in a smarter way that will use multi-perspective simulation. I will ask it to suggest me features from the perspective of three age groups, that is college students, full-time working professionals, and retired individuals. This time it is going to give me ideas which are tailored to all age groups' need. Let's read my prompt in detail. You are a mobile banking strategist using multi-perspective simulation. Simulate feature request from these three types of users. These are the three types of user that I've included. For each user, list 2 to 3 feature requests and a brief reason for each request. Just to keep my entire audience happy, I can select one feature from each age group and can introduce that in my mobile banking app that can satisfy my entire audience. The result from my previous prompt could upset retired people from my target market, but this time I would be able to keep my entire audience happy. So it has given me 3 features from the perspective of a college student, that is daily spending tracker, definitely needed by college students, instant alerts of low balance, split bill feature with friends. Okay, let's see what are the ideas it has given for working professionals. Smart cash flow dashboard, automatic bill payment scheduler, integrated investment tracker, and what are the ideas it has suggested me for retired individuals, simplified UI with large fonts and high contrast mode, pension deposit alerts, trusted contact access, read only mode. We can clearly see why multi-perspective prompt is better than the original one. The previous prompt was very generic. As a result, the answer we got was broad and was blind. This time we got 3 tailored answers reflecting real users' need. We guide AI to think like real people with different goals, habits, and limitations. This led to smarter feature ideas, more inclusive thinking, and fewer blind spots in our product decision. Whenever you are working with creative ideas or making a new product where you have a broader audience, never forget to utilize the power of multi perspective simulation.